Hello everyone! Summer holidays are coming. Here are 5 engaging activities for kids during the holidays. 1. Craft and DIY projects. Set up a craft station with a variety of materials like colored paper, glue, markers, and beads. Let kids create holiday-themed decorations such as ornaments, greeting cards, or homemade gifts. This encourages creativity and keeps them busy. 2. Outdoor adventure. Organize a nature scavenger hunt in a local park or your backyard. Create a list of items for the kids to find, like pine cones, specific leaves, or animal tracks. It's a great way to get them outside and active while learning about nature. 3. Holiday baking. Spend a day in the kitchen baking cookies, cupcakes, or other treats. Let the kids help with measuring, mixing, and decorating. Not only is this a fun activity, but it also teaches them basic cooking skills and provides tasty results. 4. Themed movie marathon. Choose a theme, for example, holiday classics, animated favorites, and have a movie marathon. Create a cozy viewing area with blankets and pillows, and prepare some popcorn and snacks. It's a relaxing way to spend a cold or rainy day indoors. 5. Science experiments. Conduct simple and fun science experiments at home. You can make slime, create a volcano with baking soda and vinegar, or explore the properties of water and ice. These hands-on activities are educational and entertaining. Thanks for watching my videos. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.